Coin collectors, listen up. There's a tiny detail hiding on a common-looking penny that could make it worth hundreds of dollars. Yes, we're talking about the 1960 D over D Lincoln cent. What looks like an ordinary coin in your pocket might actually be a famous overdate error that's captured the attention of collectors for decades. The 1960 D over D Lincoln cent is one of the most famous minting errors in U.S. coin history. Produced at the Denver Mint, this coin features a repunched mint mark, meaning the D was struck twice, creating a visible doubling effect. The result is a small but fascinating imperfection that instantly sets this cent apart from regular 1960 D issues. It's a prime example of how human error and mechanical precision sometimes collide to create rare treasures in the world of numismatics. This particular overdate error occurred because mint workers had to manually punch the D mint mark into each working die at the time. Occasionally, the punch was slightly off, and when corrected, it left traces of the first impression behind. The 1960 D over D is one of the clearest and most well-documented examples of this mishap, showing doubling that can be seen even with the naked eye on some coins. These small differences are what makes certain pennies worth far more than their face value. Adding to the fascination, there are two varieties of the 1960 Lincoln cent, the small date and the large date. The overdate error is typically found on the small date variety, which is rarer and more sought after by collectors. Spotting one of these coins in your change or old coin rolls could be like striking gold, especially if the details of the over-punched D are clear and well-defined. In terms of value, the 1960 D over D Lincoln cent can range from just a few dollars in circulated condition to hundreds of dollars for uncirculated, high-grade examples. Some pristine specimens graded by PENNIES or NGC have even reached beyond the $500 mark. As always, the sharper the strike and the cleaner the surfaces, the more collectors are willing to pay. So next time you come across an old penny, don't dismiss it as pocket change. Take a closer look. That tiny D under the date might just be your ticket to a valuable discovery. The 1960 D over D Lincoln cent reminds us that hidden treasures often lie in the smallest details, and sometimes a simple penny can tell a story worth far more than 1 cent.